My name is Hari Prasad, SPOC, Anurag Engineering College from Telangana. As a SPOC, I want to tell one thing that many students joined in CSE courses, ECE courses and different courses, but they want to learn few AML courses also. They want to get AML course or they want to get some cyber security certificate. For that, this NPTEL is very useful. If we do 5 or 6 courses in that domain, particularly NPTEL give domain certificate to us. That is very useful to our students. Recently our college has started a credit transfer for the third year students. So we are assigning every week 4 classes to them to listen NPTEL videos particularly. And last year also we got good pass percentage for the students who enrolled in the NPTEL courses. And also our college, particularly Anurag Engineering College, give incentives like so if any faculty get elite silver, they will get full fees reimbursement. Whatever the course register for them, they will get a reimbursement. So like that, our college always encourage the students and also the faculty members. So in our college recently we started the credit transfer course. So we introduced the elective courses. We asked the students to register any elective course so that they no need to write an external exam in the college. So directly they can transfer their credits to this course.
So very good morning. Myself R. Mohan Sundaram, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Vivekananda College of Arts and Science, Paraman Autonomous. The LC code is 2374. Each and every semester we have enrolled nearly 1,500 students and select the more than 100 and 125 courses are selected for that. And also this is very quite useful for our students to enrich the knowledge and beyond the curriculum. And it is very quite useful to improve the knowledge, and we have to assign some credit transfer system for students through the university semester mark sheet. The 12-week course we have to given the 3 credits, and 8-week course we have to assign the 2 credits, and 4-week course we have to assign the 1 credit. This is a credit for printed in the university semester mark sheet. It is additional credit we can given, and also we have to select some of the courses as per our curriculum. Once the students can learn for this NPTEL, this is not learn for this semester examination. This is quite useful for our students. The thanks for NPTEL. As per our computer science, nearly the machine learning and then deep learning, and then introduction to machine learning and IoT, Internet of Things. Some of the courses are selected for to learn the students the NPTEL. This is not learned in this curriculum also, academic semester also. So quite useful for us. This thank you for NPTEL for giving me a wonderful opportunity for me. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Dr. Kishore Kumar Nandiala from Annamacharya University, Rajampet. So I'm here for the workshop of SPOC felicitation and workshop. So in this occasion, I am going to give a feedback about the NPTEL. So these NPTEL created some era in e-learning. So and moreover, it is a good platform for the students who has been need to learn a good and new topics, and whichever make them to enhance their skills and to perform their activities very polite manner. And also for the career guidance, they are giving some career guidance subjects also, like aptitude, verbal reasoning and communication skills. Okay, so and also the latest subjects they are going to give video lectures with tie-up with some other industries like quantum computing and ANSYS. Okay, these subjects may these are the subjects that which may create the students to learn and may they can get into the present world. Okay, for the better for their better living and their surveying.
Myself, Dr. V.T. Ram Pawan Kumar, Associate Professor and HOD, PG Department of Computer Science and Applications, KBN College, Vijayawada. So we are from Vijayawada, that is Andhra Pradesh. So our local language is Telugu. So NPTEL is offering number of courses like quantum computing కానీ web application programming కానీ related to computer science చాలా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ NPTEL ఆఫర్ చేస్తుంది. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ NPTEL ఆఫర్ చేసే కోర్సెస్ని బేస్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా ఫ్రేమ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. అంత బాగా NPTEL వాళ్ళు న్యూ కోర్సెస్ని ఆఫర్ చేస్తారు. సో ఎవ్రీ టైం కూడా ఇలా స్పాక్స్ ఫెలిసిటేషన్ వర్క్షాప్లో NPTEL వాళ్ళు మా నుంచి ఏదైనా క్వరీస్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఏదైనా కొత్త కోర్సెస్ కానీ ఏదైనా ఆన్సర్స్ ఏదైనా ఆఫర్ చేయాలని ఉంటే కనుక ఆ క్వరీస్ మనం NPTEL వాళ్ళకి మనం చెప్తే వాళ్ళు ఆ కోర్సెస్ కూడా ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ హోప్ ఏంటి అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ కనుక ఒకవేళ కాలేజెస్లో మాస్టర్ NPTEL వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే వీడియోస్ వల్ల చాలా నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు.
Myself, Dr. Satish, Professor and Head and also SPOC from Velalar College of Engineering Technology, Erode. Our Velalar College tie up with NPTEL IIT Madras since from 2016. Yes, sir. Regularly when first year students come to college, we have one session exclusively for NPTEL. So and also in first year we mandate one course called Soft Skills for Personality. So we mandate for every first year students to do that NPTEL soft skills program, so that in second year we have exclusively soft skill training program from NPTEL, free NPTEL soft skill training program from NPTEL. We exclusively use that program for first year, sir. Yes, sir. Two of our students got internship opportunity IIT Kharagpur, sir, for the course Introduction to Internet of Things.
Good morning. This is Manoj Prabhakar, lecturer in Computer Science, here Government College. It's very happy to share that very interesting thing that to attend the NPTEL Swayam SPOC program. It is very useful for the students, such a great thing for us, and it is helpful for us. So many from our college, for every semester they are registering more than 200-300 students, and they are getting certificates also. At the same time, our principal, he also helped so many students to register, encouraging every students as a part of the NPTEL to register and to upgrade their skills. It is very useful for the course. As a part of SPOC, we are encouraging all students, especially it is a women's college, and all women students are actively participating in their for upgrading their skills and like that. At the same time, our principal also encouraging the students to take part in this wonderful initiative by the IIT Madras NPTEL Swayam course. And we are recently, as part of our APSHE, we are also encouraged to register our students in the quantum computing and quiz camp as by the IIT Madras team, and that is also useful for us. And some students from physics and computer science, they are going to register this course, and it is also very happy for us to participate this course and encouragement and everything. Yeah, as a part of a curriculum, some of the courses are a part of a curriculum. They are gaining and they are learning the skills, and they are same thing, or they are writing their exams, like that is a part of. And sometimes it is also useful for the placements also as a part of this one. That's why they are more useful for the students to as a part of this one. Yeah, I did 3 courses, ma'am. I completed 3-4 courses. It is also very useful for us. We are developing our skills like that. As we are a part of a computer science and engineering students, we are daily learning new skills from this one, from all NPTEL courses. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Sister Teresa from Auxilium College of Arts and Science for Women, Ragnathapuram. Actually, we have introduced our NPTEL course only 3 years ago. Our college is actually located in a very remote area. So when we introduced for the first time this NPTEL local chapter, these students actually were not very interested initially. Then once we motivated them, then they had a own kind of interest and desire to learn some new courses. And within 3 years actually, many of our students have got elite and gold medal. So looking at the other students are really now very happy. Other students also want to enroll their names and for their examination also. We feel very happy. Most of the staff members also have completed and they have cleared the NPTEL courses. The examinations and the syllabus and the assessments are really fantastic. Students are really very happy about it. And I personally feel that it is really very enriching and enlightening topic, and the syllabus, everything relevant to their topic. So we are so happy. We also wish you that many of our students and the faculty will benefit more from these NPTEL courses. Thank you.
I'm very happy to be attending the SPOC felicitation function today. So based on the feedback and query, this NPTEL certification has become so active, and because of that many students are actively participating, and the certification is also very much keen for the placement drive and all these things. So because of this, it is very nice to have exposure on the NPTEL, and just my suggestion is like NPTEL can be bought, and as all colleges are autonomous, I need the NPTEL colleges to just actively participate in the curriculum based activity, so that now credit transfer everything can be done through NPTEL, and NPTEL validation can be done through centralized. These are the queries which I just felt on doing, and based on saying about my college, it was initially it was like very less amount of students were enrolling because of the publicity and everything. NPTEL actually has got many publication, and because of the publication, what happened is many faculties are faculties and even more students are interested to join the course. And my only suggestion is you can just take it as a curriculum. So curriculum based learning, that is many queries have been raised, because based on the curriculum transfer, the credit transfer can be done through.
Yeah, very good morning. Myself, Dr. Raghavendra Rao. I am from Indian Institute of Management and Commerce, Hyderabad. So our college LCID is 7590. Actually, we got registered with NPTEL in the last semester only, July to December 2025. And when I came to know about the NPTEL courses and how we can get benefit from these courses to the students community to meet the current day environments, so I thought that immediately we have approached our management, and our management has kind enough to give the consent to go for the LC chapter registration. So we sent one mail to NPTEL and we got the approval. And once we got the approval, immediately we made some kind of very quick marketing and very aggressive marketing, because students do not know about these NPTEL courses nowadays. They know about so many certificate courses which are offered by private people by paying by huge amount of money. But without paying much money, you can get expert at knowledge from these courses, and also from certified from the government of India, which is very valuable for the campus placements. So we thought that let us promote this in a very huge manner, and we have promoted in all the campus. Actually, our campus is having both UG and PG. So BCom, all streams of BCom, BCom Honors, BCom CA, BCom Business Analytics, and BBA, as well as MCom. So ours is a very limited strength college. Around 1500 students are there, but we have given a good promotion. And from our college, last semester, means July to December, nearly 245 students got registered, and they have got benefited from this NPTEL. And most of the students, they have given feedback that, sir, we would like to do one course per semester. And there are some students, nearly 25 students, who have done 3-4 courses in the last semester. So what we are doing, what kind of measures we are taking this semester is also that we have assigned actually one faculty coordinator for each and every department. So these faculty coordinators will be monitoring and will be guiding the students to enroll for these NPTEL courses, and also they will be also helping them to register for these courses as well as for the examination registration also. And this semester also there was some good number of students who are getting registered. Even I think February 2nd we have extended date of registration for some courses. February 16th we have another set of courses. Already we started here promoting the courses. And I thought NPTEL is the best platform to get more knowledge on various courses in limited point of time, and any time you can access to these courses. So I am very thankful for this opportunity to give some feedback about the NPTEL courses. Actually last semester only we have started, madam, and this semester we got some kind of companies, and some students they are into the pipeline of getting the placed. So maybe by next semester we'll come to know. Yes, madam. Actually, yeah, good question. Actually, I have taken a course called as data analysis using decision making. So that kind of course I have taken, and I have already cleared. And even faculty members from our college, nearly 24 faculty members, they have cleared this particular NPTEL, and we made it mandatory for all the faculty members. We became autonomous this year. So we made it mandatory in our Board of Governors meeting also that every faculty has to complete this NPTEL course. At least one course per semester. So this semester also they are on the work. Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning. Myself, Dr. Sumit Kaur Banshal. I am from Alliance University. I am Associate Professor in CSE. In our university, we are using NPTEL as credit transfer tool for last couple of years, I'll be saying. And we have been featured in top 200 LCs in last 3 semesters. This is the 3rd time we have been featured. Last semester, we have dared ourselves by using data structure course from NPTEL for our students. And we have done a great job over there as well as in machine learning course. Apart from engineering, in business school also our student has to do a course of 2 credit during their 2 years MBA program. And I believe our students are finding it very interesting because beyond our credit transfer as well, we see many students enroll by themselves, register by themselves and do the courses. And not only students, our faculties are also very interested to learn. Like I was seeing yesterday, one of our faculty last semester has completed the course on GenAI as an FDP. So there are 3 faculties have completed that. It shows that how NPTEL is relevant in our regular, I'll be saying, upskilling itself. And obviously the content, the note of the content is there. That's why it is happening. So that's all from my side.
My name is Dr. Praveen, representing Gokaraju Rangaraj Institute of Engineering and Technology. So I'm happy to share that around 3,000 students are actually writing NPTEL and SWAYAM examination every year. So 2 courses, optional electives we are actually conducting through SWAYAM NPTEL portal, so that our students will have experience learning and listening through the SWAYAM portal, where we have very good content provided by IIT professors. And also we want to give a new experience to our students. So generally regular courses at the college and completing courses at NPTEL, it is little different. So to give that experience, so we encourage our students to take NPTEL courses. So I'm very happy that with respect to this, students are getting good exposure to the new courses, and also it is helping them in placements and internships.
This is Dr. K. Sashikala. I am from Orpi Sardi Institute of Technology. I am Professor and Head of Information Technology Department. So I am very happy to be the part of NPTEL. So since our college is autonomous college, our students have the privilege to take NPTEL course, and we too have the credit transfer. And we have included NPTEL course as one of the mandatory course. What is the use of this NPTEL is? So it is a self-learning course, so which will be very helpful for the student for their upcoming career activities. And also we are very much concentrating on mentorship. Each faculty will be provided with 15 number of students, so that they will be taking a particular subject all through the class, and each faculty will be guiding the students, and we are allotting a hour dedicatedly for this NPTEL for submitting the assignments, weekly assignments. So it's very useful for students as well the faculty community to be the part of NPTEL. And thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Bindu Babu. I represent Loyola Academy, Hyderabad, the local chapter 3225. I'm excited to be a part of the NPTEL SPOC team. So the NPTEL is actually doing a very good job by giving the students an exposure to the IIT professors and IIM professors. The teaching methodologies, the assignments, the exams, everything is actually top notch. So I would actually encourage all the students to take up at least 1 or 2 courses per semester. So in Loyola Academy, we are requesting, and the students are taking up the NPTEL courses every semester. They're doing the assignments which are helping them getting internships and placements. So one good thing that I've seen about NPTEL is after their graduation also, when they're joining a company, they are doing the NPTEL courses, and they are uploading it in the LinkedIn, which is giving them more exposure to the industry. So I would like to thank the NPTEL team for organizing this.